Hi, my name is Samuel Lara, and today I'm going to be presenting or demoing my part of the Beach Track project so far. So what I've been working on these past 3 weeks is the web scraper for our project, which essentially grabs the data from the schedule of classrooms found here for each individual major. And for each semester, it will be able to take on each class and all the corresponding sections for a class and store it into a MongoDB database that can be queried for particular fields, such as the time it takes place at, the days it takes place at, and importantly, the location it takes place at. And so, what I essentially had to do was create an algorithm that was able to grab each individual row from this large HTML body. So through like analyzing it, I was able to find the pattern and I was able to grab each row and parse through the data I needed. And so this was basically the whole Python script here. Um, there was a lot of edge cases I had to take care of, and I created a separate time converter script that basically parsed the time in particular because it was probably the trickiest thing I had to do, and the best solution was converting the time to military time. And yeah, so then the corresponding output from this script is a courses.json or the .json file that I called courses. And the reason why I did this is because it's easily able to upload to a MongoDB database. Um, and so it's like over 100,000 lines, and we can see it here in our Atlas Cloud MongoDB database. And under the campus database, we have the courses collection. And so we have over 3,000 total documents in this. And so we can see that here that we have an ID, a custom ID for each object or each document. And there's a course name that corresponds to each thing. So, of course, this is the accounting class. And for accounting 351, we have four sections, and it's stored in an array. And each one has a section number, course ID, course type, the days it takes place at, Monday, Wednesday, start time, end time in military time, and importantly, the location it takes place at, as well as the instructor. And so I made the schema for this as well, essentially keeping it as true as possible to the original schedule of classes, but of course, I had to make some changes just to make sure that it is queryable by our MongoDB database and taking away some unnecessary information from each row. And so that's pretty much it for what I've done. Thank you for watching.